How are you all this evening? My name is Dominic Long, and today I will be talking about a DNA, protein, and human disease case study, and we'll be looking at the gene specifically GFAP. Okay, so GFAP's technical name is called glial fibrillary acidic protein, but it's abbreviated GFAP for short. Okay, so it is a protein that's inside of a cell. It's present in cardiovascular diseases, and it makes up certain plasma proteins. Okay, so the gene is located on chromosome 17. It provides instructions for making more GFAP. Um, and the GFAP itself is an intermediate protein which forms networks that provide strength and support to cells, and they especially support and nourish cells in brain and spinal cord. These proteins work when brain or spinal cord cells are injured through disease or trauma. Astroglial cells react by producing more of this protein. All right, so GFAP is mostly composed of RNA with a near equal amount of protein expression because of how often it is used in creating myelin and assisting astroglial cells in repairing damaged or developing cells in the brain and spinal cord. So the link below will give you more details about that. So more than 50 GFAP mutations, which alter the structure of the protein itself, can cause Alexander disease, or rare disorder of the nervous system. Is one of a group of disorders called leukodystrophies that involve the destruction of myelin because the mutations change the structure of the amino acid used to make GFAP. So the mutated form of GFAP disturbs the formation of normal intermediate filaments. As a result, the abnormal glial fibrillary acidic protein may accumulate in astroglial cells, contributing to the formation of Rosenthal fibers, which impair cell function. All right, so the main disease that GFAP causes is glioma. So glioma is a type of tumor that occurs in the brain and spinal cord. Um, Gliomas begin in the glial cells that surround nerve cells and help them function. So they are pretty much the most common form of any sort of brain tumor that ends up developing. So some symptoms of glioma include headache, nausea or vomiting, confusion or decline in brain function, memory loss, personality changes or irritability, or difficulty with balance. The cause for glioma is unknown, but risk factors include, but are not limited to, your age, which means your risk to brain tumor increases as you age. Gliomas are most common in adults between the ages of 45 to 65 years old. Exposure to radiation. People who have been exposed to a type of radiation called ionizing radiation have increased risk. And your family history of glioma. It's rare for it to run in the families, but every so often it does. You need to be mindful of that. So the best way to prevent yourself from acquiring glioma is to avoid long cell phone usage and avoid all other forms of radiation, including microwave usage, just as much as you possibly can. Also, try eating foods with less preservatives in them and avoid smoking, alcohol, and narcotic consumption as much as you possibly can. And these are all good ways to prevent yourself from getting glioma. Okay, so the links below give a little bit more detail about GAFP and the diseases it causes, and also some of the functions of the protein itself. So thank you very much for your time, and I pray that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.